Hello dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be guiding you about planning a better study schedule. A better study schedule definitely ensures success in college. So why wait? Get set up for success. Plan a schedule of balanced activities. Maintain a balance between sleeping, studying, and personal activities. Give enough time to each subject. Study at a set time and in a consistent place. If you know what and when you are going to study, that will save a lot of time. Establish a habit of studying and don't miss it unless you have an emergency or you are sick. Study not more than 2 hours on any one subject at one time. Do take a break after studying continuously for 2 hours, as taking a break and then switching to another subject provides efficiency. One more tip: do the difficult work when your mind is most fresh. Like for some students, it's in the morning, for others, it's in the late afternoon, while for some, it can be late at night. Another important tip for success is revise and do thorough practice of weaker areas of study. Review, recite. As reviewing and reciting increase memory. And last but not the least, put your hardest effort and leave the rest to Allah the Almighty. This planning of study schedule can be used in your exams as well. So best of luck.